Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So I'm taking a break from English again, teaching English online, and I'm going to have a quick multiplayer race. One of you said that, yeah, maybe I should try. I'm using touch drive, and I should turn it off. So I'll do that. Now, just wait for the crashes because I haven't done it without touch drive for a long time. So here goes, and we'll see what happens. Anyway, my English lesson I had today was with a young lady living in Shenzhen in China, and we spoke about two topics. And one of them was, embarrassing moments, making what we call faux pas. Mistakes we can laugh at ourselves and so on. So yeah, that's one of the things. The other thing was about why young people are not getting married anymore, and also we spoke about matchmaking. Oh, yeah, I've turned touch. I see, I'm already used to. I just turned it off. Don't worry, it's off. And I'm using the wrong stick. Okay, there we go. Let's see if we can play catch up now. Right. Okay, that was a little bit of a mistake. Okay, missed the ramps. Got to get used to this. Woo! Sliding all over the place. But there we go. We've caught up to a few of them, man. Oh no. Gotta watch where I'm driving. Let's do this, shall we? There we go. Lovely stunts performed there. Yeah, so I was teaching this girl, helping her correct herself with her pronunciation. And also, yeah, it's difficult to concentrate and speak about English when you not using touch drive. Anyway, there we go. That's better. Way better. Let's see. Yeah, that's better. And it's overs. And we didn't come last. So, not too bad. I mean, we came fourth. We got points. If we look at the leaderboard. Oh, yes, someone to invite. Shall we just invite him? Add to club. Right. Invitation sent. So what did we beat here? Oh, we were in the Hurricane Evo. Huracan, as they say. Lamborghini Huracan, the American English. Right, so we see Lamborghini beats, we've beaten a Lamborghini, we've beaten a Nissan. Well, we should beat a Nissan. I mean, W Motors, yeah, and a McLaren. Shame, poor McLaren came last. That's sort of like in the Formula One race. McLaren came last because they didn't even race last weekend. Hopefully they have a chance the following weekend in Japan. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Okay, great. So, yeah, let's carry on, shall we? Next one. Let's try again. Okay, race number 2. Here we go. Oh, by the way, I got to garage level 40 now, which is quite great. So I'm at garage level 40. Have a huge amount of cars that, in the D series. That's my cars. Hopefully I'm not scrolling too fast and making you like seasick. And this is my C-class cars. Golded quite a few of them and maxed them out. And yeah, this car got fairly new and I've already 4-starred it, so not too bad. Got some other cool cars here. This is now, yes, this is still D. No, C. Yeah, we're in the C now. Looking at C, quite a lot of cars. Class 2, Class B, should I say. These are my Class B cars, quite a lot of them as well. Some I still don't have, haven't got a key or haven't unlocked yet. That one's close, I just need one more. No, I don't, sorry, 11 more. Where's my maths today? I can't count. The Lego car, got that one. I don't have many Lego cars, just, yeah, there's another one. And I think I have one more. I believe I have 3. Yeah, but only the one is maxed and the others are just like 1-starred. Okay, so, and of course this is the car I was racing with just now in multiplayer. I have some other cars here, quite a lot, as you can see. Then A-class. Yeah, I still need this one. Still need this one at the bottom. Anyway, hopefully we'll get it soon. And yeah, got some other cars. I do love this one here at the bottom. It's really cool. Use it a lot as well, also in multiplayer, but normally with touch drive on. Sorry. I need to just get better without using touch drive. I need to stop being lazy. That's all it is, right? It's laziness. Of course, if you do Grand Prix, touch drive is, gets you at least second, third all the time. Maybe not always first. Is you've got those sweaty guys who just managed to do. Oh, hang on. There's cards. Look at this, wild cards, right? So we'll just add those 3. It's not going to unlock it, but yeah, it just gives us extra there. So that's great. Just noticed that as I was scrolling by. It's also good to pick up on those. Right. So yeah, those are the S-Class cars, and yeah, I do like this one. It's one of my highest ranked cars at the moment. So 4.5. I don't have anything in the 5.5 yet. Oh, sorry, 4.599. 4.5. Okay, so that one's my highest. Correction. Oh, there's the other Lego cars. Yeah, I told you I had 3, and I have a lot of cars still to unlock. Oh, and of course I've got this one. It's not that great actually. Well, if you found it to be a very useful car, you can put it in the comments, but yeah, I haven't. Okay, enough speaking. Let's race, shall we? Let's do another one. Okay, here goes. And we'll just keep it on the same car for now. Right, here goes. Here goes nothing. Let's see how we perform. No touch drive. Oh, and using a controller for this, and it is an Xbox controller that I'm using, just by the way. So playing on a computer, on a PC gaming machine, has 64 gig of RAM. I'm using the Intel B580 Arc, Intel Arc B580 to play these games, just by the way. Plays pretty neatly. It's a 12 gig card, not a 16, a 12, but it's alright. Okay, here we go. Performing a little better. Let's do a spin. Yeah, landed. Missed those bottles, that's alright. We'll do another spin here. Oh, there's a shortcut. Oh dear, that's terrible. Oh, and I've been taken out. Okay, so from a good race to a bad race, can we catch up and improve our position? Oh, that's not so good. Fun to watch, but yeah, that wasn't so great at all. We'll go this way around. Should have taken that first ramp and then hit onto the second, but that didn't happen. Yeah, so I was telling my student about embarrassing moment I had when I was younger. I was riding my bicycle, and this pretty girl was crossing the road. I was watching her, not watching where I was cycling, and I rode into the back of a police van that was parked. Yeah, very embarrassing. The cops got out, and they laughed about it once they realized what had happened. So yeah, very embarrassing. Won't do that again. Won't live that one down. At least none of my friends saw it. Hopefully none of my friends are watching this, because now they know. Anyway, it was years ago. I was like a young kid. Right, here we go. So that's game 6. Didn't do so well. Let's make it 3 races, see? Try again. Straight away into the next one. So this last time we came 4th, now we came 6th. Can we be in the top 3? Can we make it to the top 3? Let's try. Whoa, we got some big cars here. Woohoo. Oh, I like that Elemento Lamborghini there. Elemento looks cool. Wouldn't mind having a real one in my garage. Yeah, that would be great. I'd love to collect cars, but yeah, it's too expensive. And I mean, yeah, you can see them, wash them, look at them, but you can't drive all of them. But they can also be good investments. Oh dear, I wasn't watching that one. No, we're not going to be in the top 3 if this carries on. Okay, let's make a turn there. Let's just go different ways. It's not the way I usually go, but just changed it up. Okay, no, we're not going to go that one. That's the longer route, by the way. Oh! This is when you need touch drive for that. Oh, this track, touch drive works. Going solo, this is probably one of the most difficult ones. If you're really good at it, please post your video and a link to it in the comments and say, hey, watch this one, Norman. Yeah, because this is just, oh, wow. Oh! And again. Okay. Did we manage to get past anyone? Nah. Oh, no. Right, got beaten on last. Okay, so not doing too well. Let's touch drive off. But anyway, it's, yeah, I can improve on it later, I guess. Let's try one more. Come on, we got to do it. We have to do it. What's the time? I have a lesson. Oh, I have a lesson in 14 minutes time. Okay, so this will have to be the last one. I'm either going to make it or break it, and we can laugh about this video. You can make your comments and tell me how terrible I was. Yeah, anyway, I'll do a better job next time. Okay, let's focus. Just clear the bridge there. Oh dear, didn't land. Where was it? Okay. Grab that one. It was nicely done, if I do say so myself. Dang it. Yeah, we are catching someone here. Oh, I should have got that. It's fine. Just do that. And sometimes the top is better, sometimes the bottom is better. I could have jumped off earlier already. Yay! We overtook someone. Can we just not make mistakes and stay there? Okay, land it. No! Oh, I shouldn't have done this spinning. I couldn't see where I was going. Oh. Okay, well. Yes, come on. Yeah, we okay, so we did overtake someone, did we? Yes, we came 6. We lost 2 points, but we overtook 2 people. 6 out of 8. Not that great. Sorry, guys. I have to do a better job next time. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my faux pas, my embarrassing moments in the game. See you all next time. Take care. Cheers. Bye.